Did you know that over 60% of investors don't have a plan for a market correction? That's like setting sail in a boat with no idea how to navigate a storm. In 2025, the investment landscape is going to be more unpredictable than ever. That's why, in this video, we're diving deep into 5 investment risks you absolutely cannot ignore if you want to not only survive but thrive. From unexpected market swings to global events that could shake the financial world, we're covering it all. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Now you might be thinking, Graham, market volatility is a given, right? And you're not wrong. The market goes up, the market goes down. It's like a roller coaster that never stops. But here's the thing. Most investors completely underestimate the sheer force of a real market swing. They get comfortable, maybe even a little greedy, and forget that those gains can evaporate faster than you can say correction. They panic sold at the bottom, locking in huge losses and derailing their financial goals. Don't be that person who's left high and dry when the tide turns. Guys, the global economy is like a giant game of dominoes. One wrong move, one unexpected event, and the whole thing can start to crumble. We're talking about things like, insert a specific example of an economic concern like inflation, recession, etc. These might seem like just headlines, but they have a very real impact on your investments. You need to understand the bigger economic picture, the forces that are pushing and pulling the markets, and how they might impact your investments. Don't wait until it's too late. Technology is incredible, right? It's changing the world at an unprecedented pace, but here's the catch. That same innovation can make certain investments obsolete practically overnight. Remember Blockbuster or landline phones? They were once giants in their industries, but they failed to adapt to the changing technological landscape, and look what happened. Now, I'm not saying every company using old technology is doomed, but you need to be very careful about where you park your money in 2025 and beyond. Ask yourself, is this company on the cutting edge, or are they clinging to outdated practices? Let's talk about the government, shall we? While they might not be the most exciting topic, they have a huge impact on the investment world. New regulations, tax law changes, trade agreements, all of these things can create winners and losers in the blink of an eye. For example, the recent changes in international trade agreements have had significant impacts on various sectors. Staying ahead of the curve when it comes to regulatory changes is crucial. Alright guys, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Geopolitical risks. These are the things that keep you up at night. The unpredictable events happening all over the world that can send shockwaves through the global economy and your portfolio. We're talking about things like trade wars, conflicts, and political instability. You need to be aware of these risks and how they might play out. So, there you have it. 5 investment risks that you absolutely cannot ignore in 2025. We talked about market volatility, economic shifts, technological disruptions, regulatory changes, and those nail-biting geopolitical tensions. By understanding these risks, you can start to build a portfolio that's not only designed to weather the storms but also to thrive in any market condition. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your biggest investment concerns for 2025? Let me know in the comments below. And while you're at it, be sure to check out my next video, where I reveal my top investment strategies to not just survive, but crush it in 2025.